fit. Patay jud ko sa akong papa ni day. My God! Totally normal. We are beautifully imperfect. So embrace your imperfection. What's up, fammies? Another day, another vlog. So another video for you to watch. So today, this girly right here is celebrating her day. Eventually, I'll be celebrating it in advance because my birthday is duty day. So I have work and since alipin tayo ng pera, hindi tayo mag-absent. Hindi ma-absent ang iapab na to. So come and celebrate my birthday with me. By the way, just don't mind these pimple marks right here because I just had my period. And usually, magawas jud siya if dugon ko. Aside sa face, usually sa body sad siya na ako mo, motubo. But after few days, mawara sad ni siya. But that's totally normal. We are beautifully imperfect. So embrace your imperfection. So this is actually my fit. Patay jud ko sa akong papa ni day. My God! But no worries. Day, di ko ka-dare o lakaw sa karsadang maging ani day. So, I'll have my shawl with me to cover up this kay look at. But let me also just flex this. It's very nice. The back part. Charot! 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 Akong bukton day manumbag. Pero anyways, love yourself. So, let's go! So, dahil dili jud kayo dito mag-shawl sa ato outfit guys. Di man ta anad. Sorry naman. Pero kung nang di-order, bugo ko. So, this is my first time celebrating my birthday alone, all by myself. And it feels so nice.
Man, I don't need cash. The only thing I need is a shorty real bad. Oh, di wag kang giganda, mahiwag kang mahiga sa'king hulog ng langit.
Cake na red velvet slice, and then 1 carrot cake. Take out.
Happy birthday. Let's make a wish. Let's blow out the candles. Let's eat the cake.
So, let's dig in, guys. Kaya wag akong last meal pag 4 a.m. pa. Oh, mga on day pa.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah.
If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king.
So guys, I actually ordered their aglio olio pasta with fried chicken and their Earl Grey lemonade.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah.
If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, over beat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, I'm so very.
So for my cake, I got this red velvet from Leonas. Nami siya, di kay siya nakatama. Bili man kay cupcake girly good. Anong ito cake? Cakey? Di na nga term ni Cool. Uy, foundation, cakey. Mura siya. Ang ganda ko one slice like eh. Wala, take a share na or die. Pero, I try carrot cake. Pero carrot square. Ang gipalit kay. Luman ko pahulot. Ay, test. Parang ba ako siya lang carrot cake? First time. Ano siya? Ano? Nice ang pag-mix sa red velvet. Yung medyo tamis. Ang dinang carrot cake. Sakto lang. Sakto lang. Nice dali sa birthday. Very na, kuan ang, hindi ko tiyan. Busog ko, regular. You're actually asking the kung soup eh. It's actually Bob Blunt with curtain box na kuan. Na style. Ano ko ba ang favorite niya? Carrot cake daw. Ano siya? Pero humot kayo ni Darn. Ano siya? Soap roses. Pero ano ang seller mo? Ano ang seller? 1 week ka daw ang tagalan baho. Kailangan mo malit for your girlfriend, for your family, for your loved ones. Nasa ko i-showcase sa TikTok. So, pwede na sa jud mo buy sa akong basket. Ako sa siya i-kuan dito. Nag-sorry sa kong tiyan. Busog ito. Kanang ako sa siya i-promoted to. Kay, bisag piso. Walay, man na lang. No? Kay, atong maulaw-ulaw ta day. Dili, atong bills day. Di man ka ba maulaw? Char. Nagmahurot yun nila ako ron ba? Ang daga ng tao diri on 6 PM naman sa almost 6:30. Pero ako na lang nuhot din akong cake. Uy, cake. For sure, kabot na ako matubro sa dito. Di na, ugma, di na sa kabot. Makaon na ba ko kay let's kaon mo good for 4 AM pa. Nya. Naroon pa ka balik day. Matubro ko. Day, wapag yun nakapanglaba ang person day. Basta manglaba ko. Ay, nako. Natanang buluhatin sa balay ang panglabaw din ang gumawa kada rest day. Sorry. Messy na. What's up, family? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming with me and how I celebrate my birthday solo edition. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also hit the notification bell para updated na sa next video. Bye-bye!
There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you were. You were more than a dream, I could reach out and touch you, girl. That was long ago. There are some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn